Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a candy corn kaiju. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our candy corn kaiju, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to curve up like this. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then come up here. Now for the pupil, let's draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then I'm going to color in most of this and just leave a little bit white at the top. And we're going to do a little curved line here. Now, right over here, we're going to make the kind of shape of the candy corn. So let's begin over here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up. And then we're just going to come down, and we're going to bring this down to here. Now we're going to take this line, we're going to curve it in and then back up. Then we're going to go down and up again. Then we're going to go down and then up again. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to go up and then down. We're going to bring this up and down again for more teeth. And then up and then down here. Then we're going to curve this around, and we're going to bring it up to here. Now, right up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down for part of the mouth, and then same thing here, just show a little bit of detail. Now, let's make the tongue. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down and back up. We'll come to a point, we're going to go down and up and then back down for the tongue. Now for the other side of the mouth, let's just curve a line that's going to come down to the tongue and then back to here. And then we'll draw another line right here. Now right above the eye, let's make the eyebrow. We'll just kind of come up and down. Now, our next step is to do the nose. So all I'm going to do is just color in two little kind of oval shapes that face in towards each other. Then right here, let's draw a line that's going to curve across. And then right down here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down and then up. Now, right here, let's make the feet. We're going to give them short little feet. So we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then we'll do one over here that's just going to curve down. We're going to make a little toe like this that comes to a point. We'll do another one here. And then one more right there. Then we're just going to bring this up. Same thing here, we're just going to curve a line that comes down and over. We'll make another one here. And then one more right here. Then we're just going to curve this up. Let's put a little curved line on each toe, just to make it look like it's got some sharp toenails. And then I like to add a couple little lines like this just to kind of show where the knee is, kind of like a little bit wrinkly. Now let's work on the tail. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come over like this. Then we're just going to bring it down and then back to here. Next, we're going to bring this down and over. Then just draw a few little curved lines to kind of give it like that scaly look. Now let's give it a few spikes. So we're going to make these look like candy corn. So we're going to draw some lines that just come out and then back in. So we're just going to make these candy corn shape. I'll make them get a little bit bigger right to the middle. And then they can get a little bit smaller as they come back down. And then we'll put some small ones right on the tail here. Then right on here, I'm going to draw 2 little lines on each one. This way we can actually make them really look like candy corn. So we're just going to draw 2 of them on each one. And these little ones, you probably only fit 1 on there, and that's okay. Now the final thing we're going to do to our little Candy Corn Kaiju is we're going to give him some little funny arms. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw lines just going to curve down and over. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little pointy claws. Then I'm going to bring this over and up here. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to make this come out and up. And I'm going to give them 1, 2, and then 3 pointy claws, and we're going to go down and back. Just give them some cute little funny arms. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Candy Corn Kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.